Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your valuable Pokemon cards. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you pull a rare card. How do you actually go ahead and protect it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that let's pretend that we have this basic psychic energy here, which is a valuable Pokemon card. What you'll need first is that you'll need something called penny sleeves, which I'll leave a link down below in the description. And then you also need something called top loaders, which are these things right over here. And again, I'll also leave links to these down below in the description. So once you pull a valuable Pokemon card, what you want to do is that you want to insert it into a penny sleeve, just like this. And then afterwards, you want to insert the card into a top loader, just like this. So there you have it, guys. You now have it inserted into a top loader. But this is how you protect your valuable Pokemon cards. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and protect your Pokemon cards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. And again, I'll leave the links to these down below in the description.